Well, I don't know. I'm rather look a bit stupid in this video, don't I? That'll do to start with. Well, this is what they call a bad hair day. Look at the state of me. Not much to look at, am I? Alright, don't all chirp in at once. Well, I'm 49 years of age. My name is Jonathan Hodgson, and I live in Grimsby. My beautiful partner, Kath Dalton, is at work at the moment. She's a cleaner. She works for a car showroom, but soon she'll be starting a new job where I work. And next month, December the 10th, we've been together 3 years, and I love her with all my heart. I'm an old git, miserable, you name it, that's me. She puts up with me every day, you know, rub the back, treatment, get the old lot in. Can't believe anybody would really watch this video on Facebook. Look at the bloody state of me. There you go.